These are the main ingredients.
Yeah, main ingredient have this
That's
coriander leaves.
potato and pumpkin.
Yeah, all many.
And this is spring onions.
No, coriander leaves.
Oh, this is coriander leaves. Cut pumpkin into pieces
First the
and
skin.
also remove the skin.
Remove the skin and into this much. Huh?
Yeah, cut into about 1-inch size pieces while removing the skin. Potato cut into
This is
similar size, and that's the already cut potato and pumpkins. Cut spring onions, or you can say chop spring onions. Chop coriander leaves. That is chopped spring onions and coriander leaves. Chop salty soybean paste. It is hardened soybean paste available in Chinese groceries and supermarkets. Take 1 bulb of garlic and chop spices added are the Chinese star spices,
only
one,
very little.
1 stick of cinnamon, and few beads of Sichuan pepper, about 3 or 4 beads. Put the saucepan on stove. Add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Cover it so that the boiling oil do not sprinkle out. Add spices,
No, little garlic.
garlic,
Ginger. Oh, sorry, no ginger. Green onion.
spring onion,
Yeah.
and stir, preferably with a wooden spoon. Now add
Soybean paste.
chopped soybean paste. Stir well. Add slowly
Yeah.
cut pumpkin. and stir well. Add little water. Cover. Let it be cooked for about 15 minutes. These are baby shrimps which is to be added into the dish. Shrimp. Add washed baby shrimp into the dish and stir and cover. Sprinkle
Yeah.
pinch of salt
Then coriander leaves
and add coriander leaves,
and this garlic.
chopped coriander leaves and garlic.
Very
Sprinkling salt must be done carefully to your taste.
Come here, I will.
And that's the dish after 10 minutes of cooking. Getting cooked. A closer view of the ingredients. And that's the completed dish. With coriander leaves sprinkled on top for added taste.